Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Jura A1 here. So the issue it was having was just an error code that indicated the machine needs to be maintenance. So I did a tune-up on the machine, meaning I opened it up, removed the brew unit, deep cleaned it, removed all the coffee residue, and then replaced the gasket here, and then a couple of these small ones like this, and then lubricated everything, put it back together. After that, I descaled the machine and deep cleaned the brew unit. I'm just getting all that extra coffee residue from the hoses in there. So now I'm gonna just pull a shot and we'll see that the machine is working. So also included in the tune-up is just a deep cleaning of the whole machine. So just using a multi-purpose cleaner to wipe everything down and get all the coffee residue out. That includes here in the hopper and all throughout the machine. Now you can see we had a really nice cup of coffee. That's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.